Oh, those potatoes had a lot of pepper. Oh. Greetings everyone, my name is Eric and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the Parblo Intangbo Medium. Huge shout out to Parblo for sending me this tablet to check out. The Intangbo M is a medium-sized pen tablet with an active area of 10 inches by 6 inches. The tablet can be bought in both black and you can get it in a very cute purple. The box is super lovely with a really cool space-themed design on the front. Sliding the top off, we are greeted with the tablet itself front and center. We'll put this aside to look at later. Up next, we have something cool, a pack of Parblo stickers. Don't think I've ever gotten stickers in a tablet box before. Next, we have a cleaning cloth and a neat bookmarker. Then we have the guide manual as well as the warranty pamphlet. We of course have the artist's glove to keep hand oils off the tablet as much as possible. Next is the stylus pen and pen holder, the pen holder housing the spare nibs. Then the USB cable, which uses a right-angled Type-C for the part that connects to the tablet. I love these right-angle ends so much. Lastly, we have two adapters. These let you connect the tablet directly to your mobile device. Coming back to the tablet and removing the protective cover. So satisfying. We can now see just how lovely this tablet is. It has a nice matte finish that is smooth enough to glide on, but provides just enough texture to make drawing on it feel natural. The tablet is super thin at 8mm, making it easily portable. On the one side, we have the Type-C connector, and on the left side of the top, we have 8 customizable shortcut keys, as well as a dial wheel, which you can use for zooming, brush size changing, all that stuff. Using the tablet is super straightforward and feels very comfortable. Having the medium size is great, as it lets me use my whole arm and not just my wrist for drawing, thus helping reduce strain and get smoother lines. For the art here, I drew a very simple head image, as I'm very inexperienced with these pen tablets and it can take me a while to get used to them. Once you get the hang of it though, it's really easy to use and works great with any software that supports pen pressure. I highly recommend this tablet for beginners who are looking to get into the digital art world, but are on a lower budget, as you can pick this up on Amazon for $70. What's even better is Parblo have given me a discount code that you can use to save on your purchase, which you will find in the description of this video, along with a link to both the Amazon page and their website in case you'd like to read more about the company. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this tablet, so please leave them down in the comments below. While you're there, let me know who your favorite character is to draw. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, as well as share it around with your art friends. All ways to follow me and support what I do can be found in the description. Enjoy the rest of me drawing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.